This is the Samyoung Rechargeable LED work light. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is the light itself, along with the charging cable, which is USB to micro USB. So here's the light, nice and rugged. This is IP65 waterproof, so it can be out in the rain, no problem. If you're on a job like that, turn around to the back here. There is a flip out stand, as you see, so you can have this, let's say like that, and it will sit just like that. And of course you can change the angle of it, make it steeper or shallower, as you see right there. Operation is very simple. That's obviously your power button. We'll get to that in a minute. In here is your battery indicator and a battery indicator level button, as well as your charge port and a standard USB port, so this can be used as a battery bank, which I'll demonstrate as well. We'll go ahead and open that up. There we are. You can press the button here and it shows your state of charge, basically 100%, 66%, 33%, micro USB port to charge, and for charging another device. There are 3 modes of operation. You press the power button, it clicks on, and the light is on. Let me flip it around so you can see that you have 2 LEDs, and you can also see that there's a difference between them. One is a spotlight, one is a floodlight. The way you change that, if I turn it back around here, we'll flip it up this way, is you have to just flick the button. Just like that, and one of them is out. Flick it again, and now that one is out and that one is on. Flick it again, it'll switch between it. If you want them both, you have to power it off and back on, and they're both on. So we'll do that again. Flick the button, flick the button. Every time you just flick it like that, it'll switch, turn it off and back on for both. Now I'll show you what it can do. Okay, the only light I have is just what's coming in the window. I'll turn the light on, and there you go. Nice and bright like that. Let me just flick the switch there, and you see how that spot went away. So this is your floodlight. I'll flick it again, and now you have a spotlight. Back to flood and spot, or off and back on for both. And if you want to charge a device, you just open the cover there. I have the cable already connected to my phone. This happens to use a micro USB cable like that, so I can use the cable it came with. Otherwise, you can just use whatever cable you use for your phone. And we'll go ahead and plug that in. And the phone goes to charge. The battery in here is comprised of 2 18650 cells with a total power of 4400 milliamp hours. Definitely enough to charge an average phone. As far as running the lights on it, you're going to get 8 hours at the highest brightness. That's with both of them there. And in the floodlight mode, you're going to get 12 hours. In the spotlight mode, 10 hours. So 8, 10, or 12 hours depending on the mode that you choose. And of course what's going to work for your particular work scenario like that. The battery will recharge in 2 to 3 hours. At the highest brightness, this light can put out 3000 lumens. Altogether, closes up nice, charge your phone at the same time. Great all-around work light, IP65 waterproof, great all around. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.